What's going on, guys? It is Glenn here, just shooting a very quick video to invite you to promote our new launch, which is called Stacked. Goes live on Monday the 25th of October at 10 AM EST on Warrior Plus. Stacked is going to provide your tribe, your subscribers, with their own 100% done for you viral news system, site and platform, which allows them to siphon traffic and profits from massive news corporations that we all use on a daily basis. So yes, traffic is built in and you are able to generate a lot of money with this system. So it'll be really awesome if you guys can jump on board with this one. We're really excited about this one, and we believe it's going to be our biggest launch of the year so far. If you're on the JV page, please check out all the information below this video. If you're not on the JV page, click around this video and navigate over to that JV page, because once you're on this page, you'll find out more information about what the app is, how it works, and the benefits to you and your subscribers, which you can copy and paste this text and put it on your review page. Maybe you've got a review site, or maybe you just want to review it on camera and you can read out these points on camera. More information about why you should promote this offer, including a fantastic funnel, which is going to help you, the affiliate, make a lot of money. And you are able to generate a nice chunk of change through the affiliate contests as well, guys. So what else do we have on this page? We have some high converting email swipes. We have the graphics, which you can also use on your review pages and your sites. And finally, reciprocation, guys. If you can support us, I 100% have got your back in the future. If you don't believe me, please ask your friends in the industry or people that have been around quite a while. Over the past 5 or 6 years, I've been reciprocating. I've been emailing my top partners, and maybe not so my top partners, literally anybody, every single day. I wake up and the first thing I do in the morning is I mail my partners, because A, I want to help them, and B, it makes a lot of money for me. So guys, if you can support me, I have got your back, and I will put you down on my green list of affiliates that I'm going to be supporting long term from now till the end of the year and in the future. So like I said, guys, goes live on the 25th of October at 10 AM EST. That's on a Monday. Could be in a couple of days' time by the time you see this video. It's a 100% done for you cloud-based app, done for you traffic system, done for you via a new style website, and your tribe, your subscriber, are going to be able to make a lot of money. So you can see the sales page preview through this link. JV document is here, and your email swipes there. If you need anything else, hit me up at any time. I've got your back. I'm on Skype, Facebook Messenger, and if you've got my phone number, feel free to hit me up at any time for any help and support to supercharge your promo. And finally, guys, if you do want to have a bigger promo than maybe the next man or the next woman, maybe consider doing the review video, a bonus page, a review site, put something on YouTube. Or some people go that one step further, and some people do webinars, whether it's a pre-launch webinar or maybe a webinar during the launch. And if you've got a handful of subscribers, you can usually convert around 50% at least of those people to purchase these kinds of offers. So that's just a few ideas what you could do instead of just emailing. But definitely all kinds of promotions are going to work, because this is going to be a killer offer which you and your subscribers are going to love. So thanks a lot, guys, and I will see you on the leaderboard on the 25th of October.